Hello, friends! Welcome to the premiere of Godrick Action News! I'm here to bring you the latest stories of interest regarding the state of your civilization. Typically, I live in an underground den of rotten filth, so it's hard to get the hottest scoops. That's why I'm connecting my brain directly to every source of world knowledge with the Godrick Action News computer! Let's call in the Godrick Action News team intern, Percy Lips. Alright, Percy, just grab that cable there and initiate the news computer synthesis. Percy, that is not professional behavior. Get that Action News computer out of your mouth. Now take the cable. Good. Now slowly and carefully plug. Tonight on Godrick Action News, plague and famine, lament and ruination. A failed nation state grapples with 1,000 new corpses daily. Congress and the Senate go on vacation, while millions face starvation and homelessness. The president begins dismantling the postal service during the lead-up to an election. Disease rips through schools like wildfire, engulfing our children. How long until we fall, like wheat to the sickle? Watch Godrick Action News for the scoop!